I would say the last week's jubilation was very, very short-lived. Very short-lived. It lasted for approximately 24 hours from the time that the district court said orally the case is dismissed to the time at 4 o'clock on Friday when we read her written order, which stated that, well, the case is not really dismissed, it's subject to reopening if certain acts are not taken by the German Bundestag in revising the foundation law, and indeed by the German government and US government in revising the executive agreements between the two nations.
We thought that this was going to be settled long, long ago. An agreement was signed almost 10 months ago in Berlin. What I know is that we have 140,000 applications from Jewish survivors who have been waiting some 60 years for a measure of justice, a small, small measure of justice. And we can't pay them. They're still waiting. And every day that these legal technicalities go on is another day that they don't get paid.
The provision in the order that Judge Cram issued on Friday was a provision that essentially made legal peace impossible because it opened the prospect of the reopening of the litigation unless the German Foundation altered criteria, and we simply can't alter the criteria because they're set by statute and by international agreement. And so my prediction is that they will take that language out of the order and do it very, very quickly.
And I'm pretty optimistic that the court understood the urgency of the matter. There are more than 1 million victims which are held hostage now for some months already, and they have a claim to get the compensation. And the precondition for that is that the judges come down with an opinion without any strings attached.